Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the second week that I'm going to make a card and a layout with an inspiration from a card sketch. So I wanted to show you the card sketch first. I got this from Card Maps. This is from Becky Fleck and it's January 2021. And I'm going to use the center one right here. I have some wonderful stickers that are banners that I'm going to put right here in the center. What I notice about this when I look at the sketch is like it's a half and half. So what I have done is I cut two pieces of pattern paper. They are 2 3/4 by 6 because I got this from the 6x8 paper pad. And this is my 8.5 by 11 that I had cut in half, and I just scored it down the middle. And this is going to be my card base. Now on this card, it doesn't have dimensions on here. So I'm going to try to go over whatever dimensions I have. And pretty much that's going to be it. So like I said, it was 2 3/4 by 6, but I'll tell you what I'm going to do. What I'll do, just to make things a little easier, I'm just going to put adhesive along the front of my card base. And this is going to be the top. So I want to do the bottom first. So just line it up like this. And then I'll line the top up like that. And I know to me it's not very attractive like that, but that's okay because the other elements that I'm putting on this card will definitely pull this all together. All right, now there is a center piece that was here. You can see it there. And what I would like to do is see if I can find like a, let's see. Well, let me show you the banners that I am going to use. I'm going to use this. There's 4 of them right here. And I don't think that there's any more on this sticker sheet. And that's like a tag. I think I'm just going to use those 4. So if I use this brown, this would kind of make a very neutral looking focal point. And let's see. And I know it has a hole in the center, but that's okay because I'm going to cover it up with the banners. So let me just put some adhesive here. And you can use wet glue if you wanted to. So there is that. Oh, that's a little wonky. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm okay with it. Okay, now I know with the card sketch, let's get back to it. And you can use scrap paper if you have it. They kind of overlap each other, and that is one of the elements I do like. So I'm going to go with this one first. And then I definitely want to put some foam tape behind some of them. Let's see. I think I'll go with this one next. And let me get my foam tape out. I think what I'll do is I'll do this one over here down like that so that they're all different heights. Here's my foam tape. I'll just use a little piece here. And I'm going to have this one go right there. Now, to me, cards are very fast. You know, if you wanted to get creative and just play with your stash, cards are definitely the way to go about it. Here. Let's go ahead and put it like that. All right, now for a sentiment that goes across the top, let's see, let's see what I wanted to do. I think I was going to add the word sunshine. Let's see how that looks. Oh, there's another banner right there. But that pink kind of clashes with that pink, so. Okay, let's see how this is looking. So there's that sentiment. Let's see if I can find one of these little stickers, word stickers here. And let's see here. How about beautiful? I can add beautiful sunshine. Oh, that's not even trimmed. That's like all one. It's like, oops. All right. Oh, let me trim that a little bit. That black is bothering me. The white on the bottom doesn't bother me so much, but excuse me, I'm so sorry. Oh, tell you what, it's been raining all day today. That's why it's a little dark. And I reconfigured my scrap room so my lighting is really different. The window used to be like coming from this direction, but now, as you can tell, it's coming from this direction. Yep. So anyway, this is it. This is the card. I really like this one. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a page using this same design on the page and just use my photos, of course. And but I won't bore you with all of the talking with that one. I'll just put it on fast forward. I'm going to be using this punch. It is like a banner edge punch, and it does the 1.5 inch, 2 inch, and 2.5 inch banner cuts. So I got that at Hobby Lobby. It is from the Paper Studio. And I chose to cut all of my papers here that I'm going to use as my banners in those different widths. I think a couple of them may be a little off, but that way I can just put it, it just makes it so much quicker to make the banner edge. Normally I would, cut it in the middle and then cut from the ends up into the middle at an angle. But this is definitely quicker to do it this way. I cut more than I'm going to use. And I wanted to use the colors that kind of went with the paper and went with the photos. I chose the yellow because there are some yellow flowers that are on the table. And I had this floral paper, and I had a little more than 6 inches, because the sketch was half and half. So I needed 6 inches at the top and 6 inches at the bottom. And I guess I've already attached the flower paper to the stripe paper. I guess I did that at the beginning. I didn't record that. I thought I did. But anyway, so here I put all of the banners down how I thought I would like them. And then as I attaching them, they kind of get all kind of mixed up. But, I still like the way they are. They're different links. They're on top of each other. There's, I don't think you can really go wrong in doing something like this. I just don't like them lined up right next to each other. Excuse me. I like them where they're kind of staggered and, just kind of haphazard on there. I think it's more appealing. Now the colors, oh my goodness. I guess with the lighting that I have, they look like they're kind of a purple tone, but actually maybe they are, but they look pink to my eyes in real life. So I'm going with, what I have. It really looks good together, in my opinion. Now, these photos are of my oldest daughter. She was living with me for about, I don't know, we couldn't decide when she moved in. But about 6 months, I guess, maybe a little bit more than that. And she got a place of her own, and she invited me over for breakfast for Mother's Day. So that's what the photos are about. I'm so happy for her because this is the first time that she's actually had a place of her own, that she's lived out on her own. And so I'm definitely very excited for her. So has a very simple title. It's Mother's Day 2021, but I am going to look for some other things as well to put on the layout. I didn't want to add a bunch of flowers since it had the floral up at the top. So I will be digging through my blue bin with all the different elements, and I just kind of dig through that. Now these foam stickers, they were from American Craft. It was from a Paige Evans collection several years ago. And I just did a haul not that long ago from Joann's that I think I ordered 2 or 3 of those. So anytime I see those alpha, because it's navy on one side and white on the other, and I love that they're foam and I love that they're tiny, I grab them up. I probably have 6, 6 packages of those, and I go through them. You could tell. All right, so these are the words that were from the Happiness Collection, and it's in navy. And I just chose the one I thought was the best. I do like this tag, but it's not going to stay here, so don't worry. It goes away. I make this simpler than this. And I'm just pulling out the things that I think that look good. I did keep this love you on it, and I make it into a banner shape. And I'm gonna glue it down right there. And then I happened to find these little wooden buttons, and yeah, they're really cute. But I found one, and I thought, oh my gosh, I wonder if I can find another. But I'm digging through, and I do find another. In fact, I find 3 of them, and I thought, oh, just by luck, and that's all I could find, which is just as well. So I'm looking at this now, and I like that I place that above the T, but whenever I pick up the word thankful, I forget exactly where I had it. You'll see me kind of struggle with it. And I don't put it back in the same spot. So I put it up a little higher, which is fine. And I can't move the little button because it is stuck down. But I pick up this 3rd one and I place it there so it's even a different position too. There we go. I am done. I will see you guys next time. Oh, that final little sticker I put on, it says growing up. Okay, guys, I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye.